Rankle. Rankle. Rankle means to annoy, irritate, or to get under one's skin. For example, the constant sound of fingers typing on the keyboard rankled her as she tried to concentrate on her assignment. The flight delayed for 4 hours, and that was enough cause to rankle all the passengers. The child's constant disobedience began to rankle the parents. So next time you want another word for annoy or irritate, why not use the word rankle instead? Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.